Eat avocados, but never make these 6 dangerous mistakes. We've all heard avocados are healthy. Doctors praise them. Influencers hype them. Everyone calls them a superfood. But what if that advice is incomplete? Even risky, because when handled the wrong way, avocados can quietly harm your heart, liver, or even your brain, and most people have no idea. A shocking 2023 clinical report found that improper avocado handling can boost oxidative fats by 187%, raising artery hardening risk almost overnight. Even worse, 99% of seniors make at least one of 6 hidden mistakes, and mistake number 1 alone can spike stroke risk by 47% in days. You won't hear this on TV or read it on food labels, but in this video, we're exposing the 6 avocado habits scientists have linked to allergic reactions, medication interference, and even life-threatening conditions. If you're over 60, every bite can either support your health or slowly damage it. One mistake can disrupt how your liver processes common medications. Another can release neurotoxic compounds right in your kitchen. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? How old are you? How often do you eat avocados? And have they ever made you feel off? We reply to every comment with personalized tips. Mistake number 6, storing cut avocados with the pit to stop browning. One of the biggest kitchen myths. Your grandmother swore by it, influencers repeat it, and even cooking shows still push it. But science says it simply doesn't work. A 2019 University of California study tested 100 avocados, half stored with the pit, half without. After 24 hours in the fridge, both browned almost exactly the same. The only area with slightly less browning, just 2%, was the small patch directly under the pit. Everything else turned brown at the same speed. Dr. Sarah Martinez, who led the research, confirmed that browning happens when the enzyme polyphenol oxidase hits oxygen. The pit doesn't stop this reaction. It only blocks air from the tiny area it physically touches. Here's the real danger. This myth makes people think their avocado is protected, so they store it longer. A 2021 FDA report found that cut avocados kept improperly for more than 48 hours can grow harmful bacteria, especially Listeria monocytogenes, a pathogen that causes listeriosis and is extremely dangerous for seniors and pregnant women. The right way to store cut avocados is quick and simple. Brush the exposed flesh with lemon or lime juice to slow oxidation. Press plastic wrapped tightly against the surface to block oxygen, then refrigerate it in the crisper drawer for ideal humidity. Using this method, researchers found avocados stayed fresh up to 72 hours. If you want even better results, use an airtight avocado container. Consumer Reports testing in 2023 showed some models keep avocados fresh for up to 5 days, especially those with a small lemon juice reservoir. Mistake number 5, eating avocados while on blood thinners. This is one of the most overlooked and dangerous avocado mistakes. Millions taking blood thinners like warfarin may not realize that avocados can interfere with their medication and increase stroke risk. A single medium avocado has about 21 micrograms of vitamin K, roughly a quarter of your daily intake. Vitamin K promotes blood clotting, the opposite of what blood thinners are meant to do. Suddenly eating more avocado can reduce your medication's effectiveness. A 2018 report in the American Journal of Emergency Medicine described a 68-year-old man stable on warfarin for 3 years. After eating avocado daily, his INR, the test measuring how quickly blood clots, dropped from a safe 2.5 to a dangerous 1.2 in under 2 weeks. He soon suffered a minor stroke. Cardiologist Dr. Robert Chen of Mount Sinai Hospital emphasizes consistency. Warfarin doses are calibrated to your usual vitamin K intake. Sudden changes, eating more avocado or skipping it entirely, can throw INR off balance. Avocado oil, guacamole, smoothies, and hidden avocado in recipes pose the same risk. You don't necessarily have to give up avocados. Introduce them slowly, track your intake, and work with your doctor to adjust your dose if needed. Check INR more frequently whenever your diet changes. Some newer blood thinners like apixaban or rivaroxaban don't interact with vitamin K, so switching may be an option. Keeping a simple food diary, noting avocado and other vitamin K-rich foods like leafy greens, broccoli, and green tea helps maintain stable INR levels. Many patients do well eating small, consistent amounts instead of large portions sporadically, enjoying the fruit safely. Mistake number 4, using unripe avocados in smoothies. That rock-hard avocado on your counter might seem harmless to toss into a smoothie, but blending unripe fruit can seriously upset your digestive system. Unripe avocados contain much higher levels of persin, a natural toxin the plant uses for protection, which drops dramatically as the fruit ripens. A 2020 Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry study found unripe avocados contain nearly 4 times more persin than ripe ones. Dr. Lisa Thompson, a UCLA gastroenterologist, often sees patients with what she calls avocado gut, intense bloating, cramping, and diarrhea after smoothies made with unripe fruit. Tough starches combined with high tannins create a perfect storm of digestive distress. Long-term resistant starches from unripe avocados, and if that doesn't deter you, the taste should. Unripe avocados make smoothies gritty, bitter, and grassy, nothing like the creamy texture ripe fruit is known for. Checking ripeness is simple. The fruit should give slightly under gentle pressure. The stem cap should pop off easily and reveal green underneath. If it's rock hard, leave it in a paper bag with a banana or apple. Ethylene gas speeds ripening in 2 to 4 days. Never microwave or quick ripen avocados. These hacks soften the fruit, but do not reduce persin levels. Mistake number 3, eating avocados if you have a latex allergy. This often overlooked mistake has sent thousands to emergency rooms. If you react to latex gloves, balloons, or rubber bands, avocados could trigger a serious allergic reaction. The culprit is latex fruit syndrome. Avocados contain proteins nearly identical to natural rubber latex, and for sensitive individuals, the immune system treats the fruit as if it were latex. A landmark study in Annals of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology found that 53% of people with latex allergies also react to avocados. Dr. Jennifer Patel of Johns Hopkins documented cases ranging from mild mouth itching to full-blown anaphylaxis. Avocado oil is just as risky, and even tiny traces on utensils or gloves can trigger reactions. Avocados share this latex-related protein structure with bananas, kiwis, papayas, and chestnuts, and a 2019 European study found 89% of latex-allergic patients react to multiple foods in this group. For anyone with suspected sensitivity, testing is essential, and those with confirmed latex fruit syndrome must avoid avocados entirely, and hidden avocado in restaurant dishes can be dangerous. Mistake number 2, eating overripe or fermenting avocados. Many assume soft, mushy avocados are harmless, but when they become overripe, their healthy fats start to break down and oxidize, forming compounds that can irritate your stomach and trigger inflammation. A 2021 food chemistry study found that oxidized avocado oils can create peroxides, unstable fats linked to cellular stress and digestive upset. Seniors are especially sensitive, as their digestive systems process fats more slowly. Signs your avocado is no longer safe include a sour smell, brown or gray streaks in the flesh, a fizzy or fermented taste, or excessive mushiness with liquid pooling. These aren't just cosmetic flaws. They signal chemical breakdown. To prevent overripening, keep firm avocados at room temperature and move them to the fridge as soon as they soften. This slows oxidation and keeps the fats stable longer. Mistake number 1, washing avocados the wrong way. Many rinse avocados right before slicing, but that's exactly when bacteria like Listeria and Salmonella can sneak in. The FDA warns that these germs cling to rough avocado skin, and cutting into it drags them straight into the flesh. A 2020 FDA investigation found 17% of avocado skins tested positive for listeria. Cold avocados make it worse, as condensation provides an easy pathway for bacteria. The fix is simple. Wash avocados before refrigerating, not after. Scrub the skin under running water with a clean produce brush and dry thoroughly. This small step drastically reduces contamination risk, especially for seniors who are more vulnerable to foodborne infections. Avocados are incredibly healthy, but only when used correctly. Small mistakes like washing them at the wrong time, eating overripe fruit, or not managing intake with blood thinners can lead to digestive issues, bacteria growth, nutrient loss, or medication problems. Simple habits, washing before cutting, proper storage, avoiding overripe fruit, and maintaining consistent intake if on blood thinners, turn this superfood into a safe, powerful part of your diet. Every bite becomes fresher, safer, and better for your heart, digestion, and long-term health. And if you found this helpful, check out my other video. Seniors, 7 foods that stop leg cramps in 90 seconds, science-backed relief. It's packed with practical tips for seniors, including how to enjoy avocados safely. Tap the video on your screen and subscribe for more science-backed senior health tips every week.